Good morning, folks. I added an update to the Google Sites portfolio system I wanted to share with you. A real quick video. Added a couple new features to the system. Hey, folks. I wanted to go over an enhancement I made to my newest system here. I ended up taking all of the scripts and combining them. So this project I just recently posted about has a script that will create student folders from a set of names here. It will then also create a Google Site portfolio in that student folder, and it will add a text file. So what I've done is combined this create folders. So the create folder script runs, and then after it finishes and we acknowledge that it's given us some new folders, then it runs the script create and duplicate folder, which is this add portfolio section, and it's going to create a Google Site portfolio, put it in there, and when this one finishes, it's going to give me a message portfolio added. And then finally, we are going to add the text file. So by running the first script, this script, and then adding these two scripts in here, it will do everything at once as I add a new student. Now, one other feature I added to this add text file was I wanted to actually replace a placeholder, and let's take a look at my template. So here's my template. I have a template with this email inside of these curly brackets. So in my script, I have a script that's going to replace that with this piece here. I'm going to take this line and insert it. My email is going to be first name, lowercase, dot, last name, to lowercase, at redtailfan.org. And then down here, we have a function to replace the email placeholder. So now let's watch what happens when we run this script. Let's come back here. Let me quickly add a name in here. So we will add another name. Let's do a Welch, Sarah, 2021. And let's go ahead and run the script. Let's see what happens. Create student folders. So the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to create a folder and write the folder ID back here. There we go. So it's created one, told me that. This is an automatic this automatically creates the URL to Sarah Welch, which is her link to her portfolio. We can't run that yet till we actually open the portfolio and publish it. And in a moment, it's running through this. Okay, one portfolio added, great. And now we're waiting, the script is still running. Now we're waiting for it to create a new document. There it is, one technology file added. There we go. Now let's take a look at the technology file, and notice it's automatically put in an email address. Awesome, just what I was hoping for. And here I can open up my URL. Notice I've automatically created a new folder for Sarah Welch, put in a student portfolio, put in the document, put her email address in the document. Here's our student portfolio. We can change this to Sarah Welch. And then if I change the name here to Sarah Welch and then publish, it's going to want to put in Sarah Welch. I've been doing these without the hyphen, so I'll go ahead and publish that. I make one other change here. I go to the publish settings, make sure that's right, get rid of that. I don't like seeing that, and publish once again. And now I can come back over here. I can go ahead and put this away, and I can put this away. And from my sheet, I can now open up the Sarah Welch URL. Awesome stuff.